Select 2019 and newer Lexus models equipped with Inform 2.0 are also Apple CarPlay compatible. CarPlay lets you access iTunes, Apple Maps, make phone calls, and send messages all through your vehicle's touchscreen or by voice commands using Siri.
Call Jamie.
Calling Jamie Jones.
Before you begin, ensure CarPlay and Siri are enabled on your iPhone 5 or newer device in your phone settings. This can be done by opening your Settings menu, selecting General, and then Restrictions. Next, be sure that the CarPlay function is enabled and turned on. To ensure Siri is enabled, go back to the Settings, then select Siri and Search. Make sure that the Press Home for Siri function is also turned on if you would like to be able to access CarPlay via voice control. Next, you will need to confirm that CarPlay is enabled on the vehicle's multimedia display. This is done by selecting Menu, Setup, General, and making sure that CarPlay is turned on. Your iPhone 5 or newer device is now ready to be tethered using an approved Apple Lightning cable. Wireless connectivity for CarPlay is not supported. If you have connected the Lightning cable to your iPhone, but CarPlay does not appear, ensure that you are using the data USB port located here. For charging purposes alone, you are free to use the other charge ports in your vehicle. Once tethered, a message will appear that prompts you to select one of 3 available options. If you would like to plug in your mobile device strictly for charging, while also retaining Inform 2.0 functionality, select Do Not Enable. If a friend or family member would like to connect to CarPlay but will not be a frequent passenger, select Enable Once. If you are the primary driver, or one of many, and prefer CarPlay as the primary app source, select Always Enable to avoid this prompt from appearing next time you tether your iPhone. You are now ready to explore CarPlay and the available third-party apps. It is important to note, however, that some features and functions will operate differently than on your iPhone, and only Apple-approved third-party CarPlay compatible applications can be used. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.